Imagine interacting with dozens of crypto applications, bridging funds, farming points, joining early access programs, but you forget just one thing. You forget to check if any of those moves actually earned you a free airdrop. What if one platform could scan your wallet and instantly show you potential airdrops, claimable rewards, and ongoing thanks from the projects you've thought? Well, that tool is Watchoor. Now, today I'll be showing you how to use Watchoor properly and how to check for airdrop eligibility and how to stay safe while doing it. Before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do out to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. So, Watchoor is an airdrop and rewards checker, a dashboard that scans your wallet to show potential airdrops, claimable tokens, point rewards, and pending tags across multiple Web3 ecosystems. So instead of hunting manually or even documenting them manually, Watcher tries to bring every eligible airdrop into just one screen. And it doesn't guarantee you'll receive an airdrop though, but it helps you avoid missing free rewards buried in your on-chain activity. So this is how you get to use Watcher. So you use any Web3 based browser, or you could probably use your Chrome browser too. But for this video, I'll be using my OKX Web3 based wallet, and I'll click on the OKX wallet, and I go to the Explore feature. I type in the official website, which is Watchoor then .xyz. Always make sure you're on the right link to avoid phishing clones. So now this is the dashboard for Watchoor. So you just click on enter application and it takes you here. You have a wallet connect button, so let me just connect this for you all again, and I click on the EVM chain, my OKX wallet, and I sign this transaction. But you could choose not to connect your wallet if you feel it's not safe, but I'm connecting my wallet for the purpose of this video. And you could see their airdrop platform where you could claim a free NFT. So this is their dashboard where you have a lot of things to do. So you can see to do daily missions from Watchoor, featured airdrops that you could hop in on, Liminal airdrop, and we also have, let's see, what's the next one, HyperLiquid Season 2 airdrop. And you could also see the latest airdrop campaigns like the Yom airdrop, the Thrive airdrop, the Ritual airdrop, the Dika testnet, the Inference testnet. It shows you a lot. Now, but the main purpose of this video is to show you how to check if you're positioned or you qualify for any airdrop so far. So you click on the left corner and you go to their airdrop checker. You could see it's a new feature to them, and you paste in your address. So I'll be using my address here. I just copy my address and I take it here and check for eligibility. First, you have to verify you're human, and I click on that. Okay, it gets to show that no eligible airdrops found, that the wallet address you entered is not eligible for any airdrops at this time. That's a bummer for me, but for any airdrops at this particular time, I'm not eligible for. But guess what? Maybe in the coming days, probably when airdrops roll out and my on-chain activity soon, I could get qualified for different airdrops. But inside the Watchoor app, you also have your manual checker links. Additional airdrop checkers not available in automatic verification. You could check eligibility in different places manually, like Superform, SciSig, Aster Season 3, Revel, Pink Swap, Tari, Gay AI, Talus, Kotti, Polynomial, and a lot of airdrops that are on here, and you can just check your eligibility. So Watchoor doesn't just have an airdrop checker, it has a way it gets a lot of airdrop checker links directly onto their platform, where you're able to do all of these things at once. Right. And also, when you get to connect your wallet to most decentralized application, it is advisable that after connecting your wallet, you should consider revoking permissions using Revoke.cash. And Watchoor is a discovery tool. It's not a guaranteed tool because airdrops are determined by the project and not the platform. And as always, never connect your main wallet to new or unverified sites. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs it. And make sure you're subscribed to SMC Tutors so you don't miss any of our crypto tutorials and Web3 deep dives. Thanks for watching